G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Another winter rain event coming to North Queensland, and it won't be the last given the current state of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. The rain begins inland tomorrow, then spreads to the central coast on Thursday with mainly just showers north of about Bowen. A cooler start this morning with Cairns dropping to only 15 degrees and Mareeba just 14, but a nice warm day on the coast with top temps generally the mid-20s. We're beginning to see some clouds now on the satellite. The first and most obvious one is around the New South Wales border, just forming on the leading edge of a wind change that's moving up the coast. And of course, we've also got that inland band of cloud. It's just the beginning of the larger cloud band that's forming in response to an upper level trough that will amplify over the state over the next 2 or 3 days and bring rain to much of Queensland. On today's chart, we have a high pressure system. It's a strong one, and it's virtually anchored itself in that area around Tasmania, where it's already starting to increase the winds along the coast. On tomorrow's chart, the high doesn't move much, but it intensifies, and with the pressure dropping in the Coral Sea, the isobars become so close together that we'll have a strong wind warning for much of the coast, especially southern and central waters. And then on the outlook chart, as the high moves a little bit further east, a low forms in the Coral Sea in response to the upper trough. This is really problematic. It could make winds gale force in the south of the state and even really raise the surf. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters. South to southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow on a 2-metre swell. Thursday's winds, again 15 to 25 knots, and Friday 15 to 20. We've got last quarter moon coming up on Thursday, so tomorrow's tidal swing will be very gentle, low in the morning, high in the afternoon. North tropical coast and tablelands, a cloudy day with showers developing. Cairns 17 to 26 degrees, Atherton 22, Innisfail 23 and Mareeba 25. Looking ahead for Cairns, Wednesday, Thursday will likely be our cloudiest days with the best chance of rain. Other days should be mostly fine, though partly cloudy with tops around 26, 27 degrees. Atherton's a little different, tops around 22, 23 degrees. Friday and Saturday look pretty good, and some cloud returning again next week. And that's all for this evening, folks. Nice to be back at work and ready to lead you through this next wave of rain. Hopefully it won't be as wet nor as cold as the last one, which was pretty intense. Catch you tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Lovely. Thanks for that, Liv. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
Anything you'd like to watch again, catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.